Okay, let's start with the first one. So it says 0 what? 0, -5. Okay, so is this going to be an x or a y intercept?
X.
It's going to be a y-intercept. So you're going to say y equals -5. Is there any other zeros? Yeah. So it goes what?
X equals 3.
Okay, that 0 goes to what though?
-5 and 3.
It goes to -5 and 3 because it's got 2 arrows. Okay? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, look. Okay, so we did this one for sure. Are we all in agreement that 0, 5?
Yeah.
0, -5. Okay, there's this 0 and it goes to -5 and it goes to 3. Okay, and we've decided that this is a y-intercept, right? So is this going to be an x or a y?
X.
It's going to be an x-intercept. So you're going to say x equals, and there are 2 of them. What are they? -5 and 3. Okay, and your y is -5. Okay, look at number 5. My x is 0 and it goes to what? 6. Is that an x-intercept or a y?
Y.
It is a y-intercept. Okay, is there x-intercepts on this one? No. Okay, the way that I remember it, because sometimes it's confusing for people, okay, I find the zeros, okay? If the number is on the y, then it's a y-intercept, okay? For this one, we can see that I'm following the 0, the number's on the y, so that means it's a y. This one, the 0 is on the y, and the number's on the x, so that means it's an x-intercept, okay? So, if we look at 7, are there any zeros?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so the zero's right here, what's it going to?
X.
It's going to 7, is that gonna be an x or a y?
X.
It's an x, the number is on the x, so it's an x-intercept, so it's gonna be x equals -7.
What the heck?
Okay, and again, these are all the same, so if we look at 9, do any of the coordinates have a 0? Yes, this one right here. Is this an x or a y-intercept?
I think X.
Okay, what is the coordinate? 0, 6. So which one is filled in? Is it an x or a y? It's a y. Okay, so it's gonna be y equals what? 6. Okay. 9 is y equals 6. Okay, 11. What is the first 0? -5, 0. Is that gonna be an x or a y? That is an x-intercept, so we're gonna say x equals -5. Okay, the second spot is what? What's the next coordinate?
It's another X.
It's another x. It's -4, 0. So this is gonna be -5, x equals -4. Okay, the next coordinate is what?
Y.
It's a y. It says 0, 6. So it's gonna be y equals 6. Okay, 13. What is the coordinate of the 0?
-3.
Okay, the coordinate is 0, -3, and that's a y, right? Well, how do we know it's a y?
Because it's on right, so last number.
The y is filled in. The x has the 0, okay? So it's going to be y equals -3 for number 13. Okay, 15. It's going to be x equals 2. The y has a 0, so it's going to be x equals 2. 15 is x equals 2. Okay, 17. Look at 17. Find the zeros. It's the very bottom one. It says 4, 0, essentially is what it is. 4, 0. So is that going to be an x or a y?
X.
It's an X. So it's gonna be X equals 4.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, 19. Where's the 0?
Second row.
It's the second row. -5, 0. So is that gonna be an X or a Y? It's gonna be an X. So we're gonna have X equals -5 for 19. 21. Where's the 0? It's the very, very first one. 0, 6. So is that an X or a Y?
Why?
It's a Y. It's going to be Y equals -6. 23.
Oh, actually, it's 4.
X equals 4. Okay? You guys got 12 to do. When you're done for the day.